Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer at Wheels and Deals Auto Dealership, Pomeroy, Ohio. We got a 2017 Chevy Cruze with the LT trim package. I'd like to share this car with you. It's a bluish, light blue in color, a little bit of a silver tint to it. Sharp car, black cloth interior. We'll do a quick walk around on the outside, then we'll go on the inside. And this car does have a backup camera. You notice the camera itself is right there. So let's go ahead and pop the trunk. Okay, here we go. Got the trunk open. You can see there's a lot of space back here. Very clean. Let's go ahead and continue. So we'll go over here on the driver's side. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. We'll start in the back first. Okay, here we go. Black cloth interior. A lot of leg room back here. Show you the headliner. You do have a USB port right down at the bottom for your electronics for anyone sitting in the back. You got a solid black color on your door panels. Okay, we'll get ready to hop up inside here in just a moment. Give you a little quick view. You can see the LCD monitor. Good size to that. Show you your door panel. So let's go ahead and hop inside. Okay, I just got the car started. Get up here on the instrument cluster, show that. You can see the mileage on this is very nice mileage, only 37,595 miles. Now your controls here on the left of your steering wheel is cruise control. Go over on the right, it does have Bluetooth capability. You can receive and end phone calls just by pushing buttons, hands-free. Controls will show you different settings up here on your cluster. Get over here, show you the monitor. I'm going to drop it down in reverse and it'll show you the backup camera engages on it. And come on down, you can see climate control is here. You do have some ports right here for your electronics, USB, auxiliary, and 12 volt. Get over here, you got a nice collared trim around your two cup holders, your gear shift. And this does open up for storage. And as you can see in back, the center does fold down for an armrest, and you do have a lot of leg space back here. That's it.